Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making sweet heart buns. You're going to need 3.5 cups flour, 1 cup warm milk, 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar, 9 teaspoons sugar, 3 tablespoons oil, 2 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon salt, 8 tablespoons butter. We're going to start with the flour, and with a spoon make a space in the center. Add 1 tablespoon sugar, dry yeast, and then pour half of the milk and mix it for about 5 minutes for yeast to get activated. Add the rest of the milk, add oil, salt, two tablespoons of room temperature butter, and then knead the dough until it stops sticking to your hands. This is what it's supposed to look like, smooth and soft. Hold the bowl and the dough so it doesn't stick when it's rising. Cover the bowl with the plastic wrap and a towel and set it aside to rise. After the dough is doubled in size, just take it out and shape it in a bowl. Cut it in 9 even pieces. And shape each piece in a nice round bowl. Cover with the plastic wrap and a towel and let it rest for 15 minutes. Now take the first piece of dough and stretch it as much as you can. And then shape it with your hands in a rectangular shape. Brush it lightly with the melted butter. Sprinkle the sugar. And start rolling it from the bottom up as tight as you can. Then pinch the seam with your fingers to get it together. Then fold it in half and gently press on it and smush it down. And then cut the fold, but not all the way to the end, on the middle. And then spread the sides like a wings and just shape it with your hand. And it should come out looking like a heart upside down. And then put it in a baking pan. And then repeat this all the way to the end. I found it's easier to use the sharp knife versus dough cutter to make a clean cut. Once you're done with all 9 pieces, cover it with a towel and let it rest for 15 minutes. Now mix 2 egg yolks and gently brush it on top. Sprinkle a little bit of sugar on each one of them. Preheat your oven to 360. Bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. It came out incredible. Crispy outside and soft inside. You can serve it just the way it is, or you can put a scoop of ice cream and makes it so much better on a hot day. Enjoy. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.